Hey guys, it's Wayne Scully, author of 21 Tax Topics to Stay Compliant and Save Money, available for free at getmytaxpo.com. Again, getmytaxpo.com. Guys, yesterday I did a great video on the IRS Direct File program. I want to continue that conversation and I want to just kind of run through some more details about the program. If you just Google Direct File, you'll get to this page. It's a pilot program about the IRS trying to improve user experience and better customer service. The program is not going to be ready until the filing season opens, which is January 29th. And it's going to be available in Spanish and English. I talked about the real-time online support and using your smartphone. Now, who's eligible? You're filing your 2023 tax return, federal return, and for state returns, you'd have to file with your respective state. Certain states are included, 12 of them. As you can see here, Arizona, California, New York, Massachusetts, Nevada, South Dakota, and so forth. Some of those states will be offering the same option on the state website to direct a file with them. Those states are Arizona, California, Massachusetts, and New York. You'll be able to prepare your state equivalent return on their site, but you'll be able to prepare your state return as well. Only certain types of income, certain types of credits and deductions will be allowed. Individuals with certain types of income, credits, and deductions will be allowed to file returns using this direct file pilot program. Anyone with W-2 wages, Social Security income, unemployment compensation, interest of $1,500 or less. So if you have interest of more than that, obviously you won't be able to file using this method. It doesn't seem that there's a cap on the amount of income. So if you made $150,000 in wages and that's all you have, you'll be able to file your return using the direct file program. Earned income credits, people with earned income tax credits are going to be able to file child tax credits and credits for other dependents. So that covers a huge amount of people. If you're a standard deduction filer, you have student loan interest and educator expenses, you'll be able to file. Now, if you itemize deductions, you will not be able to file. If you're a gig economy worker or owner, you'll not be able to file. If you have business income, Schedule C income, if you have a C Corp or anything like that, you won't be able to file using direct file. Itemized deduction is really built for individuals that fall into a certain bucket. Outside of that, you won't be able to use this direct file program. But that could change in the future. Claim other credits like child dependent care credit, savers credit, or premium tax credit. So those people will not be able to file either using this program. Once you do the ID meets that you'll be verified or authenticated by the IRS. Through that process, you have to prepare the return. You're going to have to create that online account, create a username, password, be authenticated, and then you'll be able to log in and start the direct file process. You'll have help on the site, online help, to kind of help you walk through the return. This is an output of the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, where the IRS was directed to survey the possibility of people preparing the returns using the IRS's resources. People won't have the option of going to an H&R, but there's some people who are part of the free file program, some entities such as TurboTax and others like it, where you'll be able to use their software and file a return for supposedly free. In some instances, not really free, but that's another video for another time. I just want to kind of walk you through this and so you could see. But again, go to that website. Just Google Direct File IRS and you'll get to this site. You'll be able to see more information than I'm able to talk to you about on this video.